I will then, once I get it coated with the cheese, I'll tenderize it with my Denny. And it takes a tough chicken breast and turns it into fork tender chicken. It is so good. If you don't have one of those, you're already behind the 8 ball. Let me encourage you to start dialing in for it right now. Also, you may want to start dialing in for glass tumblers. These are from Temp-tations. Each one is 16 ounces. You get a set of 4. And what's really extraordinary about these, they're all dishwasher safe and perfect for you to be able to enjoy a real glass tumbler. With your favorite Temp-tations patterns and colors on them, these are going to be very popular. You get a set of 4 for only $17.76. So that is a remarkable sale price on these today. And we have lots of colors. Let's come over here. I'll walk you through colors. Now you're getting a four-piece set no matter what color you order, okay? So we're going to begin with Americana. There's the Americana. What's that? Patriotic is what I meant to say. Patriotic, this is confetti. Then I have it for you in the palm. This is blue. Here's red. Here's garden, gray, nautical, and taupe. I have 8 sets left in taupe. Don't wait on these. They promise to go very quickly as we welcome in Lisa Lasorte. She is a member of our Temp-tations team working right alongside Tara to bring us great items from the brand. She joins us live via Skype from her home kitchen. And I'll tell you, Lisa, this is extraordinary. Glass, set of 4, under $18. What a deal.
Yeah, and some of these patterns, David, as you know, we only see it this time of the year, our seasonal patterns. But yeah, this is glass, and it is the most perfect size at 16 ounces. Not too big, not too small, just perfect. So we love that. This is going to be your everyday glass. So you're going to use it in the morning for juice, the afternoon maybe for your iced tea or lemonade, dinner time maybe for your sangria. And this is how you definitely up your outdoor entertaining game, David, with all the ideas we have, from root beer floats to tequila sunrise to lemonade. This is going to fit all of your hydration needs in a really pretty way.
Now, Lisa, 2 things I want to update everybody on. Patriotic, flying out the door. Don't wait on Patriotic. If you want the Patriotic, only about 2,500 to go around. This is the confetti. Here it is in the palm. Also popular with 1,600 sets left. Here's the blue. Here's the red. Here's garden. 1,500 in the garden. Here's gray. 900 nautical. 150, and taupe is sold out. We're still very, very busy on the phone lines. Let me encourage everyone to utilize QVC.com and your mobile app, because we have this and 2 other brand new Temp-tation items coming up in the show today. But this one is super duper sale priced. It's also customer top rated, Lisa.
Yeah, I know. Everybody who has these loves these. And you know what? Think about it. Where else can you get glasses, glass tumblers, 16 ounces that will match back to your dinnerware, to your bakeware? But this is where it's so much fun. Everything from, David, root beer floats. I think it's May 1st, so we're all thinking about all those great summertime drinks. Instead of having a plain old clear glass, why not have something that adds some beautiful color to your table? But whether it's just you and your family or you're entertaining, maybe you're getting ready for Memorial Day. Look how much fun this is. And then, David, check this out that we did up here. Tequila sunrise. So this is great for cocktails, mocktails. No matter what it is going to look gorgeous in this glass. And I love all the different colors.
How about a peach Bellini? How about it?
Okay.
So we're going to hit this with some peach, I believe some peach nectar, peach juice. So let me go ahead, and I've got fresh peaches inside the cup or the glass. But notice I'm not filling this all the way up, because we're going to top it off with some sparkling wine. Oh, look at this. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, old friend. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delightful? A peach Bellini. Oh. And you can do that with these glasses, and then they can also be your iced tea glasses for a random Thursday night dinner, right? They don't have to be just for special occasions.
No, that's exactly right. And when we think about it, you know, when Tara designs everything, it's going to match back to what you've been collecting for the past 20 years. So again, whether it's the dinnerware or maybe you just have white dinnerware, you just want to, you know, make your table a little more plentiful. You know, there is a difference between drinking out of just a clear glass and then a glass that has some decor on the outside. You are going to want to hand wash these, David, just like you would with all of your fine glasses. If it makes its way into the dishwasher a few times on the top rack, that's okay. But to preserve the integrity of the design, we really recommend that you do hand wash these as well.
Well, I can tell you, and I'm just pouring some iced tea here. We did Bellini's a moment ago, but here's some fresh summer iced tea. And this taupe color is sold out. I apologize for that. I should have noticed that before I started pouring. But how many are gone now? 1,500 sets are gone. This is an amazing value. Let's not forget that this is $17.76, but your price and your easy pay will all go away at the end of the show, or no, excuse me, end of day. So this is your opportunity. Mary is going to come in, Lisa, and wrap things up with you because I've got to head outside for the grill. So it'll give me just, or the Margaritaville rather. So this will give me an opportunity to get out there because you know I got to go and mix some drinks. In the meantime, Mary's over there with colors, and I'll leave you in her capable hands.
Oh, thank you, David. Oh, that Margaritaville sounds good, and these glasses would work with it beautifully. Hi, Lisa.
Hey, Mary, how about these great seasonal colors that are available right now only? Aren't they so exciting?
I love them. I was going to show everybody the nautical. We were discussing in our chat. If you want the nautical, we have 5 dozen little red, white, and blue anchors. In the gray, we have $750. In the garden, we have $1,400. Here's red. $1,400 there. In blue, we still have it available, but talk about Americana. $1,400 there. The palm, very popular, only $1,300. I want to say Jennifer in our chat, she said these remind her of the Beverly Hills Hotel, and I thought that was genius. Confetti, adorable, and we also have them in the Patriotic. Now, you are getting 4. They are glass, but I look at the Patriotic and then get a set, right, Lisa, in the red and the blue, and now you can mix and match, and they look so cute.
And everything looks so beautiful. All you have to do is pick your favorite colors or your favorite designs and just have some fun. Like, head on over to your glass cabinet right now.
Go in.
Do you have maybe, go. Do you have maybe the plastic glasses or your glasses that are chipped? For this value that you get 4 glasses for this amazing price under $18, this is the time to buy 2 and 3 sets and stock up. And then all your summer entertaining needs are very well taken care of, right, Bear?
Yeah, they look so beautiful. And I know so many folks were talking in the chat about maybe picking up more than 1 set, especially when you take a look at the price and those 5 easy payments going away at the end of the day. Lisa, thank you for these. I cannot wait to talk to you about hot dogs coming up a little later in the show.
So excited, my friend. See you soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye for now. You know what? It's time. If you got your glassware ready to go, maybe you would like a Margaritaville to go with it. But quickly.